Today I would like to show you a simple plugin that I've been using lately on bass. It's BX Distor Range by Plugin Alliance. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. We're going to use this plugin on bass. It's very simple. It has only 3 knobs. I will set my tone to around 9 o'clock, set my level to around 7 o'clock, and we'll increase the distortion slightly to around 8 o'clock. And we're ready to listen to it. Here's again before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.